In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable or enable the new Acrobat interface from the left menu. If you've opened Acrobat and the layout looks different from what you're used to, there's a quick way to switch back. I'll walk you through the exact clicks, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few tips to make the process smooth. Start by bringing your attention to the left side of the Acrobat window. You'll see the sidebar with several options. Click on Add File Storage in that left sidebar. This opens a panel that not only shows storage options, but also gives you access to additional controls. Don't worry if you don't plan to add storage right now. We're simply using this area to reach the setting we need. Next, still on the left side, look for the menu control in this panel. Depending on your version, it may appear as a small icon with 3 lines or 3 dots, or simply labeled as menu. Click on the menu to open its list of options. This is where Acrobat groups quick actions that affect how the app looks and behaves. In the menu that opens, find the option labeled Disable New Acrobat and click it. When you select this, Acrobat will switch from the new interface back to the classic one you might be more comfortable with. Give it a moment after you click. The window may refresh, panels might rearrange, and in some cases, the app may briefly reload the view to apply the change. That's normal and usually takes just a few seconds. If at any point you want to try the new interface again, you can enable it using the exact same path. Head back to the left sidebar, click Add File Storage, open the menu on the left, and this time, choose Enable New Acrobat. The wording switches based on your current state, so you'll always see either Disable or Enable to reflect what you can do next. A couple of quick tips as you make the switch. Save any open documents before you start, just to be safe, especially if you're in the middle of edits. If you don't immediately see the menu option, scroll within the panel or widen the window to reveal hidden items. And remember, labels can vary slightly with updates, but the control stays in this left side menu area. That's it. With just a few clicks, you can move between the new and classic